In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Time Doctor to Gusto. Whether you're managing a small team or a large organization, integrating these two powerful tools can streamline your payroll process and save you time. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Time Doctor account. Make sure you have administrator or owner access, as this is essential for making any changes to the account settings. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top of your screen. You'll see a menu bar, and from there, navigate to the Settings option. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, select Company Settings. This section is where you'll find all the important configurations for your Time Doctor account. Once you're in the company settings, scroll down until you see the option labeled Use Payroll. This is the key feature you'll need to enable to connect with Gusto. You'll notice a toggle switch next to it. Simply click on this toggle to turn it on. By doing so, you're essentially activating the payroll functionalities within Time Doctor, which is a necessary step before integrating with Gusto. Now that payroll is enabled, you'll see a new tab appear in your settings labeled Payroll. Go ahead and click on this new tab. Inside, you'll find various options related to payment methods. This is where you can manage how you handle payroll through Time Doctor. As you explore this tab, look for the section specifically dedicated to integrations. Within this section, you will see the Gusto integration option. You'll notice another toggle switch next to the Gusto integration. To establish a connection between Time Doctor and Gusto, simply switch this toggle to On. By doing this, you're enabling the integration, allowing you to seamlessly transfer payroll data from Time Doctor to Gusto. It's as simple as that. Keep in mind that by integrating Time Doctor with Gusto, you're streamlining your payroll process, which can save you a lot of time and reduce errors. This integration allows for automatic syncing of your time tracking data with your payroll system, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. And that's it. You've successfully connected Time Doctor to Gusto. If you ever need to make adjustments or disconnect the integration, just head back to the same settings and toggle the switch off. Remember that maintaining an organized system is crucial for effective team management, and integrations like this one are designed to make your life easier. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in setting up your Time Doctor and Gusto integration. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Time Doctor's support for further assistance. Enjoy the newfound efficiency in your payroll process.